I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I make breakfast in the kitchen. I make breakfast in the kitchen. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I taste the food. I taste the food. I add salt. I add salt. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I pour water into a glass. I pour water into a glass. I wash my hands in the kitchen. I wash my hands in the kitchen. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take food from the fridge. I take food from the fridge. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I make coffee. I make coffee. I drink water in the kitchen. I drink water in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I use a knife. I use a knife. I use a spoon. I use a spoon. I add sugar. I add sugar. I heat the food. I heat the food. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes.